The RAZEAK Portable 60% Mechanical Keyboard is a fantastic addition to any gamer's setup, offering a compact and portable design without compromising on functionality. With its 61 keys, this mini keyboard is perfect for those seeking a space-saving option without sacrificing performance. The key combination function ensures full functionality, allowing you to access all the necessary keys despite the smaller size. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its N-key rollover technology. Each key has an independent mechanical switch, providing an impressive 61-key anti-ghosting capability. This means you can press multiple keys simultaneously without any input lag or ghosting, ensuring smooth and accurate gameplay. The blue switches offer a satisfying tactile and clicky feedback, providing a responsive and enjoyable typing and gaming experience. The dual-color translucent keycaps are a unique touch, offering a stylish and functional design. The injection-molded keycaps ensure durability and a comfortable typing experience. The better light transmission through these keycaps enhances the RGB backlighting, creating a visually stunning display with a wide range of color options. Speaking of RGB backlighting, this keyboard offers a switchable and colorful lighting experience. You can customize the lighting to your preference, adding a touch of personality to your setup. The RGB backlighting is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, as it provides excellent visibility in low-light conditions. Compatibility is not an issue with this keyboard. It works seamlessly with Windows devices and connects via USB-C, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. The modern and sleek design of the keyboard makes it a great addition to any desk, whether for gaming or general use. With its 30-day refund or replacement policy, RAZEAK offers peace of mind for its customers. This keyboard is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact, feature-rich, and affordable gaming keyboard. Its combination of mechanical switches, anti-ghosting, and RGB backlighting makes it a top contender in the market. Whether you're a PC or Mac gamer, this keyboard is sure to enhance your gaming experience and add a touch of style to your setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.